अहमद A1 फर्नीचर, जहां पर आपकी लाडली के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और फर्नीचर आइटम्स, शादी ब्याह के लिए मजबूत पायदार फर्नीचर सेट, सोफा सेट, डाइनिंग टेबल सेट, टीवी, फ्रिज, वॉशिंग मशीन के अलावा तमाम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और फर्नीचर आइटम आपका वेलकम करते हैं। अहमद A1 फर्नीचर और अहमद इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, अपोजिट शादान होटल, बल्लागुड़ा रोड, हाशिमाबाद, हैदराबाद।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं अब्दुल। आइए देखते हैं आज का खबरनामा। हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस साइबर क्राइम यूनिट ने चाइना बेस्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट ऐप के जरिए 903 करोड़ रुपए का फ्रॉड करने वाली गैंग को गिरफ्तार कर लिया और इस गैंग में 2 चाइनीज मौजूद थे। पुलिस ने 10 अफराद को गिरफ्तार करते हुए इनके कब्जे से 3 लैपटॉप, 17 मोबाइल फोन्स, इनके पासपोर्ट्स और दीगर आशिया भी जब्त कर लिए। आइए देखते हैं ये रिपोर्ट।
Where the modus operandi is to use authorized money changers who are authorized by the Reserve Bank of India to convert illegally gathered funds through investment apps and transfer it into dollars and then send it abroad. This fraud of 903 crore rupees has been detected for the first time. It was a very difficult investigation, and where for the first time 2 Chinese nationals, one Chinese and another person Taiwanese, but operating has got a Chinese Republic of China passport. So he also has been apprehended along with 8 others who are involved in this fraud, mainly from Delhi and Mumbai and Pune. We have already detected, our cybercrime unit has detected 2 very good cases regarding the Mahesh Bank fraud, cyber security violation, where phishing mails were sent by Nigerians, and then there was a huge scam throughout the country where accounts were opened and money was siphoned off. Then there was a e-payment gateway fraud which was detected when the hacker was also apprehended. Now this is the third big case detected by the cybercrime unit of Hyderabad City Police, which has pan-India ramifications, and it is an investment fraud dealing with involving 903 crore rupees. Now basic facts of this in briefly are that the main brain of this entire network operating in India is one Chu Chun Yu, a Chinese Taipei national, and he is aided and abetted by Varun Arora and Bujesh Arora, who live in Dubai. Now this person is operating in India through 2 people called Sahil and Sunny. They are natives of Delhi. What they have done is, they have got in touch with a person called Navneet Kaushik, who is a resident of Delhi, and he has started 2 authorized money changing companies through which this entire fraud has taken place. One of the money changing company is called Ranjan.
खबर है शहर की,
खबर है गाँव की,
खबर है सारी दुनिया की।
7H न्यूज
पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज।